so get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you.
Hi buddy, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to organize my wardrobe right there, and my plan for today, I'm going to show you what it looks like inside, but it's quite cluttered at the moment. It's just a whole bunch of clothes piled up in there. So what I'm going to do is take everything out of my wardrobe, pop it on the bed. I just made my bed so that I have a space to put all of those clothes. I'm going to declutter them, so just going to see what I haven't worn in a while and just gonna put that in a charity pile. And then my plan for the rest of them, to kind of organize them a bit better, I've got some baskets from IKEA to put up on top of the wardrobe, which I'll share with you in a second. So I'm going to put in those baskets things that I don't maybe wear that often, or maybe they're a little bit out of season, or I just don't need right away. So those things I'm going to put in these baskets right here, which are from IKEA. And then I also have a few new hangers, which I'm really excited to show you. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take everything out, put it on the bed, and see what we're kind of working with today. Okay, so that's my wardrobe obviously, but I'm just going to do these two sides here because that one is my husband's one and he usually does it himself. So I'm just going to do my side and let's see what we're working with. Okay, so this is the current state of my wardrobe. It's obviously not great. Like, there's these things are all stuffed in there. I don't even know what's behind them. I know there's clothes behind there, but yeah, I just need to take it all out and sort it out a bit. I think I'm going to take a few of the coats downstairs in our like under the stairs cupboard, because we do have kind of a coat rack there. And yeah, just kind of go through this and see what we can do about it.
About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me.
Okay, so I've taken a few clothes out of my wardrobe. I still have half of it to do. And yeah, I've got that pile to work with. I'm just gonna take everything out in a second. Do you know how you put your jumpers like this on your hanger? And I think it's just the shape of the hanger that makes them get this little bump here at the shoulders, which is not very flattering, and it's annoying me because I've actually had, this is quite a newish jumper, but I have had a few jumpers in the past that I've put on hangers like this for a while, and they started getting that bump and I couldn't get rid of it. Like, no matter how much I washed it, it would still have that little bump, and it would look so odd when I would put it on. So I actually had to get rid of a few jumpers because of that. Let me know if you guys have that issue as well. But it's the same with this hoodie, and I would hate for it to get the bump on the shoulder because I just love it so much and I don't want it to get ruined. So I wanted to show you some new hangers that I got, and honestly I feel like really showing my age here, like you're getting old when you get excited about new hangers, honestly. But I wanted to show you, these are the hangers that I got, and this part of the video is sponsored by the Hanger Store, which is quite a cool company I recently found out about, and they have these awesome like sleek hangers, and they're supposed to help with exactly that, those little shoulder bumps. Let me turn this around and put it on the hanger. I'm excited to see what it looks like on once I put it on the hanger, because I feel like a lot of my jumpers do look like that, like the stretched out shoulders once I put them on the hanger. So let's have a look at this. This is what it would look like once I put it on this one. It actually looks so much better. I feel like it won't get that shoulder bump because it's kind of like more curvy, so it looks so much better. Hopefully none of my jumpers will get those shoulder bumps anymore. I feel like some of them are fine, like some jumpers don't get that depending on the fabric, but for some of them I can definitely notice that, and it really bugs me after a while. Yeah, so I love that about them, and they're also really sturdy, like it doesn't bend, if you know what I mean. I'll show you the other ones that I have, but these ones are quite flimsy. I've actually had a few of them break, especially this one. Like, it's supposed to be a non-slip one and slim, but it's so slim that I feel like it will break if I put anything too heavy on it, like a heavy jumper. And this one's the same, they're super flimsy, which, you know, they're fine, but this one feels so much sturdier. It's a really nice non-slip type of hanger. It kind of feels like silicone, if you know what I mean. It's definitely non-slip, and I really like how sleek and how tiny it is, because I feel like it will take less space in my wardrobe as well. So I'm excited to use these today, and you can get these hangers on Amazon now. I feel like it's a really good Amazon find. So I will link these in the description box below, but I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my wardrobe so that you can see what it looks like once it's all finished.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you.
So that's all empty, and I've reached that stage where it officially looks like a bomb exploded in here. No, and it looks so much worse before it actually starts looking better. So I've got here some shoes that I need to take downstairs where we keep all the shoes. They're clean, these ones, but I just used them for some outfit pictures. And this is the disaster that we're working with today. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it absolutely does look like a bomb exploded in here. But before I go through all of these, I just wanted to go through these drawers. So I didn't take everything out of these. They're actually semi-organized, so I kind of want to go through each of them and see if I still wear them or not. And if I don't, I'm gonna make a pile, I think, there. Things that are going to go to charity. So I'm just gonna go through these quick. I've just got tops here. Then I've got bottoms, jeans, things like that. So I'm gonna kind of organize these. Then I've got my underwear, and then pajamas and kind of loungewear, sportswear, things like that. So let's go ahead and go through those now.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Okay, so that's done. These are all looking much better, a bit more organized. So I'm going to put a few more things in here, I think, as I go through all of these. So that's that. And then I'm going to just go ahead and kind of dust in here a bit, because I'm not sure if you can tell, but there's quite a bit of dust there in the back. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and do this quick and then move on to that pile.
Like I was falling through the air. No one let myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't a song. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all.
So I've got a few things in these baskets and I'm going to put these on the wardrobe. It's just mainly things that I'm not going to wear for a while, like they're super thick and you know spring is coming up, so I've just put them away. And then this is what my wardrobe looks like now. It's much better, I think. Just kind of cleared especially that bottom bit area. And I've got the hangers from the hanger store here, which I think they look so much more sleek than this side. I really like the way they look and they're super slim as well, so that's really nice. Okay, so that's my wardrobe all done for the day. I'm not gonna lie, it took me 2 hours to do all of that. I felt like I would be able to get it done quicker, but no, it took me 2 hours because I was also filming as well. But yeah, don't forget to check out the hanger store. It will be linked in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I hope you're having a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!